Doing a quick video, General Electric, but most common clothes dryers that are gas operated, gas line, exhaust. Okay, if the gas runs and then shuts off, you need to replace these coils. And while you're in there, replace these. These are sort of plastic bushings, go around the drum, and there's 4 of them. They're at the kind of the top of the drum in 4 positions. Replace those 2 and it'll run smoother. Just want to show you a video of the gas off and on, the proper cycling. There's the glow plug. See the glow? This brand has an access port for a mirror, so that's why I'm showing you this, you know. So that's the glow. Now the gas turns on and we got a flame. Okay, so it'll cycle on and off like that. If it doesn't cycle on and off like that to keep the temperature, like if the gas doesn't turn on, you know, you have to replace those coils. Those coils are fairly cheap on Amazon. I think they're like a generic thing. You just have to remember to, which is one thing I didn't know, there's a little knob on the top. Each one has a knob. Okay, one faces one direction, one faces the other, but the knob goes up. Okay, this one is 3 pins. This one is 2 pins. Okay, so this one goes up like this, and this one goes like this on the other side. This one's the nearer one, this is the far one, this is the main one, and this is a safety coil, apparently. So, all right, thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Bye.